Few call it Puranpoli, few call it Bobatlu, few call it Bakshalu, and few call it Oliga. Its name might change from place to place, but not the love for it, isn't it? If you're also a sweet chapati lover, then why wait? Let's get into the video and get to know the recipe. Welcome back to Navratri special series on Live, Love, Learn with me, Arya. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then quickly subscribe and hit the bell icon next to it, and we'll get into the video. Take 1 glass of chana dal into a bowl. Clean it twice properly with plain water. Add some water to it and let it soak for about 15-20 minutes. Now transfer the soaked chana dal into a pressure cooker. Put it on a stove, turn on the flame and let 3 whistles come. Chana dal is cooked properly and it's time to add jaggery now. Add 1 glass of jaggery to it. So the ratio of chana dal and jaggery will be 1:1. Mix them well, put it on the stove and turn on the flame again. Just keep stirring it until we get the desired consistency. This is basically the stuff that will go into the poli. This stuff can be stored in a refrigerator for about 3-4 days. So you can just prepare it and keep it in your refrigerator, and whenever you feel like eating a poli, then you can quickly mix the dough and then prepare a poli and then have it. See to that both are mixed really well, and this level of consistency will do because anyways it will harden once it is cooled down. Transfer it into a bowl and our stuff is ready. We shall let this cool down. Meanwhile, let's prepare the dough. Take 1 cup of all-purpose flour into a bowl. Wheat flour can also be used, but here I'm using all-purpose flour, which is basically maida. Add a little salt to it. This salt is just to enhance the sweet flavor, so do not add so much of salt to it. Mix them well and start preparing dough by adding little amounts of water as and when required. Make sure the dough is soft. I think this sweet is quite famous and that's why it has so many names across India. Especially in Karnataka and Rayalaseema, I don't think there won't be any function or a wedding without this sweet. Comment and let me know what you call this sweet at your place. Now add some oil to the dough and then mix it again. By the way, if you have missed watching any of my Navratri special videos, please visit my channel, go to playlist tab and you'll have a playlist naming Dasara Navratri 2020, and you can take a look at all the Navratri special videos over there. Add some more oil and then mix it super well so that the dough becomes softer. Keep this dough aside for about 15 minutes. Take a thin plastic sheet, apply some oil on top of it so that the dough doesn't stick to it. Slightly spread the dough, stuff it with the already prepared sweet and make it kinda ball. Gently press on the top of the dough and start spreading it. Just keep spreading and try to make it as thin as possible. If you feel that the dough is sticking to your hands, you can apply some more oil and then spread it. Now put it on a pan that is hot enough. Apply some oil and let it heat. Flip it now. If the dough is sticking to the pan and is not coming, then apply some oil and let it heat, and then only flip it. If you love ghee just like me, then forget about the calories, apply ghee on both the sides while flipping and then have it. And by the way, ghee is good for health and skin too. Let it heat and then keep flipping it for around 4-5 times, and make sure you heat the sides of the poli as well. And our poli is ready. Actually, this is the very first time that we tried preparing a poli at home and it turned out to be really good. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any of the videos from me, then quickly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon next to it so that you'll get notifications whenever I post a new video. Catch me on another video. Until then, stay home, stay safe, and stay connected with me.